Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and take a few minutes out of your day to see what we're doing down here in Louisiana. Not Louisiana, you will find that I say that wrong. But we're enjoying our time down here with the Blood family.
You're going to get a good night's rest.
Oh my gosh, what do we got? What do we got? Look at the food we got here. We got a taco. Isn't that a taco?
Hell no, that's a damn brisket.
Woo!
With some potato salad, homemade,
Homemade.
and some Bush's baked beans.
Homemade by Bush's.
Yeah,
Yep.
I heated them up.
I seen the dog talking about them. They were
You
good.
seen who talking about them?
The Bush's dog, he says they're
Oh.
homemade.
Oh, I thought you was insulting me.
Smile, honey, you're on video.
Look at that beautiful masterpiece.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I'm looking at that beautiful masterpiece. Well, y'all, we're
Wish you were here.
having to suffer through, but I think we can make it. They're not feeding us very well down here in Louisiana, as you can tell.
Starving our asses.
God,
to come
starving us, starving us.
off. If they
Oh,
leave from here hungry, it's their own damn fault.
uh-huh. Anyway, that's what we're doing down here in Louisiana. Plus,
No, it's not Louisiana, it's Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Like Louis.
Louisiana.
There you go.
We've been sitting out here. I haven't put a video on here in a couple days because we're just having too much fun. Been sitting right out there having a little toddy in the afternoons.
Talking about everybody named here.
Yeah, what she said. Now we're coming in the house to have this little snack. Then later on we'll have dinner.
We already had the snack.
Oh yeah, we had a snack. Anyway, that's what we're doing in Louisiana right now. I'm going to tag this on to someplace. Oh, she's getting serious over there. Whoa, I'm getting away from that girl. Y'all have a good day. We are definitely having a good time in Louisiana. And what you drinking there, water?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
but I got a little something to killing the germs.
Oh, did you put a little scotch in to kill them germs in that ice cube?
It makes it much safer to drink.
Yes, I believe so. I think so.
And the water makes it easy for you to dry.
Yeah. All right, let's watch some TV. Good morning, everybody. Another beautiful day here in Pineville. Today we're just cleaning up the windshield on that. Went to Harbor Freight, got me some gloves and tools and whatever I needed. And we're going to put in some new batteries in old Casper back there today. What I decided, I always put this Lucas. Where's she at? The oil treatment. I run this in this thing. It's got 190,000 miles on it. So I run Lucas in it, and it seems to jump my mileage up about 1.5 miles per gallon or better. Yeah, clean up my mess. So that's what I use. And I couldn't find any, but I bought a gallon jug. And it was like about a third, 2/3 the price. So I had to get some gloves and stuff, you know, just getting stuff. Got a funnel so I can just take it out of there and put it in there on the road, don't have to worry about it. That's what I got today. That's what it looks like under there. We still got 8 days before we're going to leave here. But I'm going to help Charlie get things done. We've moved this big trailer out that was there. We're going to pull the bikes out. We still haven't gone for a bike ride. We're talking about it. But storm looks like she's blowing in today. You might not even be able to hear me. So we want to get he got new batteries put in here. But then he left it all winter without starting it or a trickle charger, and they went so dead we couldn't get them charged. We had to take them downtown to a supercharger. So we're going to stick them in there today. They go right back in there. And I think it seems like there's some other stuff we're going to be doing. I'm just helping him catch up on stuff that it's easier for 2 people to do than 1. So I'm here I don't like to sit around. We sat around all last week, more or less, just having a good time doing nothing. But ain't it pretty here? This is the way. If you've never been to Louisiana, that's the way it is. You can drive down the road, you can only see to the tree line, and then the tree line goes, it's a forest. And that's surprising to us high desert people, because we can look out from our house and we can see, from my house alone, I can see probably 15 miles. There's places in Idaho you can go and you can see almost 100 miles. Get up on a mountaintop. So this is kind of wonderful to us. Like I've always said, every country, every state in our country is beautiful in its own way. Nice little roads here, but there is big traffic. Just down at the end of this road, you're going to get into some big traffic. So we're going to swap out them batteries. We're gonna make her run today. Anyway, that's what we're going on today. I'll throw some more on later, maybe. Okay, Charlie, you say them are special batteries that you get just special for this. And the reason is
They're cheap
and they have go handles.
and they got handles.
Yeah, that's what makes them special.
That's what makes them special.
So we got to shove them down in there now, hook them up, and I think we'll be good to go.
Yep.
You don't have one. We should have picked up one of them battery cleaner things.
When we were at Home Depot, what'd you call it?
Freight place.
Yeah, Harbor Freight. Yeah, we were right there. We probably could have picked up 2 of them for $3.
Yeah. Well, we'll get them cleaned up somehow.
We got about 3 inches now between them.
We got air in it now. Fired it up. Got the batteries in, but definitely got a short.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
Might be between here.
That's not a long short.
No, it's kind of short. That was a 9/16, wasn't
I didn't tighten it.
Oh.
You can just pull the ground right off. We're just going to leave the batteries unhooked till we get a switch. We're going to put another switch. Got a switch in it, but there's a short between this and the switch. So we'll put another switch back here in the back, like you guys have seen me put in mine several times. And then now we just shut her off. So.
Let her go.
Yeah. He's going to take it in. The inverter ain't working after he paid him to fix it. So he's going to take that in, get the inverter fixed, and we got to get a cover for the top got blowed off and rainwater inside. But
we got her.
We got her. Insurance is going to cover that.
If it don't, my wife can.
Yeah. So that's it for the work on this until we get a switch. Let me show you the switch just in case you don't know. Okay, my switch is right in here with his we're going to put in with the batteries, but mine is right there. Just one of them little old switches will do. You can see the big wire coming out of there. Now I run that to my ground, and I could turn that off right now because we're not in it. I think I will. And that's how easy that is. That's off. And that's what we'll do on his until we can get it to the shop. I think he's got a short in his inverter. But, oh, wasp. That's going to do us for right now. It is getting muggy down here. I've never experienced down south heat. Now, they say this ain't bad, but I can sure feel the mugginess. Oh well, something new to experience. That's going to be it for this video. We're going to hook them all together. You're seeing one clip right after the other.
After a hard day of working and eating, it's always good to kick back with your favorite fellers, and that's what we did quite often on this vacation. You feel good with a friend. You can just kick back, watch some TV, and fall asleep and not worry about nothing. And that's what we did. We had a good time down here in Louisiana, as you're going to see in the rest of the videos. But I don't need any more license plates. And also, subscribe to my channel here if you can. It's free, you know.